morning. It is Saturday, November 12th, and we are going along the Mirror Lake Trail, and then we're going to do a little bit of the loop in the valley to just get some of the changing colors that are happening around here and to just enjoy this beautiful hike. So here we are along the Mirror Lake Trail. Hopefully we don't have too much ice on here, but we all are prepared, so if it happens, it happens. And got a nice little group to enjoy an easy hike. At the most, we're probably going to be 5 or 6 miles-ish. Who knows? We'll go until we don't want to go anymore and or until it gets close to lunch, since we're going to the Yosemite for lunch. So we shall see. And hopefully not fall. As I said, we are here to see some of the beautiful fall colors and hopefully enjoy a beautiful morning. Well, we are enjoying a beautiful morning, but we do have to be careful in that there's black ice on the roads as well as snow that we kind of sort of have to go through. But it is a beautiful crisp morning. There's my group all there. And wow. So this morning I wish for you just a very peaceful day. If you have challenges, I'm hoping that they are lessened and that you are able to find a way to just kind of breathe through them and hopefully find a different reaction. In that most of our reaction to negative situations are negative. But by doing that, you're perpetuating the negativity within you. So it's my goal that you are able to have peace. Just like there at this beautiful little water. Find the peace within you. It's there. I promise you it's there. You still missed. You're going to the right. Here, let me stand over here. You're failing. I'm pretty much having some bear pinata flashbacks. So a little bit more snow. We're getting on the back side of the loop, heading back towards Mirror Lake. And then we're going to be back at the valley proper. Not that this isn't valley proper, because it is. Oh, let's not get all wetified any more than I have to. Oh, the joys. As I said, snow has its moments. I'm getting cold. Looking forward to finding the sun again. But it's still a fantastic morning, and we have a great group, and just enjoying like this incredible area. So, and finding a way around that won't let us fall in a puddle. But it's a nice puddle. Which reminds me, this week during the rainy times, and we had a bit of hail, I had so much fun jumping in puddles as I went from one meeting to the other. I love to be silly. It keeps my heart happy, among other things. So here we all are at the little bridge at the end of, well, at the loop the end of the loop, we're going to go back down to Mirror Lake. The fall colors are beautiful, although we didn't get much of a fall this year, went straight into winter. And I lied, since last week I did Glacier Point, and I was like, okay, not going to be out in the snow again. But apparently I am. So for now, just getting a little bit more beautiful photos along the Merced River as we go into the last little bit of our Mirror Lake Valley Loop. And just enjoying it. It is beautiful out here. Amazing days. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Even if it is a little cold, it's not too bad. So, luckily. And then we'll be going up this little area and then back down the other side.
Oh, it's
There you go. It's nice and warm.
warm. Please start walking.
Yeah.
Warm and dry, like a sandy beach.
Oh, I've trained her well. So in this case, we are kind of fascinated with the ridges and the furriness of the snow. It looks like a fur coat. Blanketing. Absolutely beautiful. And I love to see this, even if this is my last time for this season. All right, so here we are getting into our last little bits. You can hear the water flowing down the river. At least I hope you can hear it. And me crunching on the snow and ice. It is a beautiful morning and a great time throughout all of this. Enjoying it, listening to, oh, look at that little bit of pond area. And this beautiful, beautiful leafy area. Snow, beautiful. All right, we all had to stop at this beautiful little area. Oh, the lighting on the little bit of water is beautiful. We've got the little bit of river. You can hear it flowing as we hike along here. This side doesn't get much sun, but it's still beautiful with the snow. I just want to share this little bit until the end of our adventure. So now we're actually heading over to Happy Isle, and we're along a road. So this isn't really a trail. The trail's down there, but we don't want to put our spikes back on. But it is beautiful, and we've got some wonderful time here and gonna see a little different aspect of the valley. I've been to Happy Isles. You actually take the Happy Isle Trail on over up to Vernal and the Mist Falls Trail, or the Mist Trail, excuse me, and then up to Vernal and Nevada, which is a great hike, long but good, well worth it. But I come back down the JMT when I do that. I don't go back down the big old stairs with my little tiny legs. So anyhow, see you soon. So hello everyone, we made it back to the Ahwahnee, which is over there, right around there, over there. We're gonna go grab some lunch and then head home. So thank you again for coming on my adventures. This is Wanderlust on the Trails, and I'm Lori Pardee. I hope you had an enjoyable time seeing Mirror Lake and a little bit of the Fen area of Happy Island. And I hope you come back and enjoy my videos again. If you do like this, please subscribe down below and click the little bell after you subscribe, and you will get notifications of my future videos. Until then, see you at my next adventure.